While reading about Aboriginal cultures and practices, I came across two words from a language of Aboriginal people in Daly River, Datiri, which means deep listening. Dr. Miriam Rose's reflection has encouraged me to experience it, to be still, silent, and listen. Aboriginal worldviews are centered in relationships, not just with people, but also with place, where human and more than human others are always entangled. People develop different kind of values and interests as they grow in a particular area within a culture. Having grown up in a place where I was surrounded by the sea made me realize how important those places as a part of my development and how they shape the stories of my life. And it is true that just as we shape our environment, they shape us. When experiencing Datiri, I remember a quote from Pello. To foster a love for a place, we must engage our bodies and our hearts, as well as our minds in a specific place. As I walk, listen, and look closely to the nature, I allow myself to be surprised by the unexpected details, by the sound of the waves that ready to tell me stories. When I was a child, I always wondered, where's the sun from? How do birds fly? Those silly questions actually have answers. I realized there is so much to learn from. Science can be found around this place. I can see the sky changing color as the time passes by, the cloud that moves, the waves that slowly flow, the sand that has different texture, also the birds who fly with their wings, the bees who love the flowers, and the trees that stand still, even the wind hit them. Young and Eliot once stated, "Science is all around us, in everything we encounter. We just need to open our eyes to the wonder of it." This place shows me different aspects of science, biology, chemistry, physics, and also about the earth. This place provides us with many things to entangle with and to learn with. The flowers, trees, and jellyfish show understanding of living things and their life cycle. By looking at the sky, we can clearly see about daily changes when the sun sets. Seeing the water move slowly show me that the waves are not always high and scary. When I throw a rock into the water, I learn that there are forces and motions. It is exciting to see living things grow, interact, and communicate, and how the nature provides us with knowledge to learn from. This experience really showed me how important to see things in detail and listen to the environment.